domain rating, or DR, is a metric developed by Ahrefs that measures the strength of a website's backlink profile on a logarithmic scale from 0 to 100. This screenshot from Ahrefs shows a high DR score of 86, along with other metrics like backlinks and referring domains. DR is crucial for SEO because higher scores strongly correlate with better search visibility and organic rankings. Recent algorithm updates, including Google's Helpful Content Update, penalize low-quality link schemes and emphasize sustainable, organic link building practices. To build DR effectively, focus on do-follow links from relevant domains with high DR scores of 50 or more. Quick link building wins use ethical strategies for fast results. Create shareable content like infographics that attract natural backlinks. Another approach is pitching to niche influencers who can provide valuable links from their platforms. Always avoid black hat methods like buying links, which can lead to severe penalties, including de-indexing from search engines. Remember that strong internal linking supports external link building by distributing authority across your site's pages, which indirectly boosts your overall domain-level DR. Understanding DR and implementing these quick wins forms an important foundation for building your website's domain authority and starting to rank higher in search results. Create high-quality, shareable content such as infographics, data-driven reports, or ultimate guides to attract natural backlinks. Leverage resource page link building by identifying relevant resource pages in your niche and pitching your content for inclusion. Guest posting on authoritative blogs within your industry can provide significant DR boosts. Monitor your backlink profile using tools like Ahrefs to identify and disavow any toxic or low-quality links. Participate in community-driven link ecosystems like forums or user-generated content platforms to establish topical authority. Always prioritize quality over quantity in your link-building efforts, focusing on relevance and authority to avoid penalties. AI tools can assist in outreach but require ethical oversight to ensure compliance with EEAT principles. Track your progress and make adjustments to your strategy as needed.